What's up?
Welcome back to Dent Gents.
All right, I got a Hummer EV here. We're gonna go ahead and clean it off a little bit. That way we can see what we're doing. So we've got a horizontal crease, right? This is my first Hummer EV I've worked on, I'm gonna work on. So you're gonna get to learn with me a little bit on our access. Typically, this is what I'm thinking. Bedside dent, I'm gonna take this bed cap off, but I think I see some other access points on the other side that I'm gonna try to get to. But yeah, just a 2 to 3 inch horizontal crease. Let's see, I'm pretty sure this is, I wonder if this is aluminum. Nope, it's steel. So. Oh, you think you're fancy? Look at this little steppy step.
Get up in the
All right. So typically, I'm removing this bed cap. No big deal. But I saw this guy. He comes right on out, and I'm able to slide a tool in there, and I think I'm gonna be able to get right through there and onto that dent. So now I'm gonna come over here, and I'm just gonna work from this end of the crease down to the other end. Man, you couldn't ask for dang near perfect access. So just gonna slowly walk it out, not over push, just take my time. So typically with a horizontal crease, I'm gonna make one pass going through to get a lot of the bulk up, like the very bottom of the dent. And what will happen is we'll get this kind of stitching pattern here. Let me show you. Come over here. If you come over here, let me wipe it down. And then what you'll see is you kind of have like a stitch going this way. Come up right here, and you'll see little stitches. I'm gonna level out these stitches. I'm gonna level them out, knock them down, and then it'll be a horizontal crease, but way, way less, and we'll just repeat that process multiple times. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. So now I'm done with knocking down that first pass, and I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna get my my board parallel with this parallel. So look, it's a lot less, right? We've got it a lot less, nowhere near as noticeable, but we're gonna keep going until we're 100%. So I'm gonna just knock on that now.
So why are you making like small adjustments rather than like big ones?
That's all it takes. Sometimes with steel moves a lot easier than aluminum. Aluminum actually requires 4 times the amount of force, 4 times the force to move aluminum over steel. So this is a steel panel, so it's more of a finesse game versus when you're doing aluminum, it's like you gotta really crank it out. So this is a more of a finesse repair rather than a like push with all your might repair. We're in the little finicky stage. Once again, I'm at that 90–95% mark that no one would actually see, but I'm a little bit of a perfectionist, so just kind of knocking out the small, subtle little lows in it. Boom. We're done. Pack it up. Pack it up, pack it in, let me begin. Battle me, that's a... Oh, you don't know the song?
Me, that's a sin. I won't ever slack up. Punk, you better back up. Try and play the role and you're the whole crew will act up. Get up, stand up, come on, throw your hands up if you got the feeling. Jump up, touch the ceiling, monks, let's a funk flow. Someone's fucking jump, yo, I'll bust them in the eye. And